Hey,
Guys,
speaking of that, where do we find that authorization to show unlisted properties?
if you're on my team or if you're in FMLS, I'm glad you brought that up because I got to cut this out the video, but this is easy. Every single form you're looking for is, I'll open up any, it doesn't matter where they are. I'll open up any, whoever this deal is. I don't know who this is. Watch this. Click on this. Click on add document. Click on templates. Write this down. Are you going to remember? Scroll down to GAR interactive documents, right? Can you see it?
Yes.
GAR interactive documents. Oh, there you go. Type in unlisted, some word. There it is. Authorization to show unlisted.
Right, but when I type in that, when I go to GAR, it asks for your NERDS number.
Yeah, not anymore. I had to do my CE credits.
Okay.
All right. Any form you need, that's how you find it if it's not in your deal.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So the last step, what you'll do is you will send a text to your client. You will send them a text. Remember, Tuesdays and Thursdays, you send them off-market properties, right? So what you could do technically is email yourself all the links from the different sites that I sent you guys, all the links from these sites, right? You can send them, you can send yourself that. Y'all with me? And then email yourself the links for Mrs. Smith, Mr. Jones, and then you have them on your phone, you cut and paste it, and you type a little blurb on here that says, hey, Mr. Smith, Tuesday as promised, here's the list of off-market homes. I need you to drive by, send me a list of the 3 to 6 that you like, and then I'll schedule the for you to see the inside. Y'all with me?
Yep.
All right. You guys all have the 7-minute video. Go to my YouTube. Hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Doing this. I think it's on my YouTube. Off market, real quick. Let me just check for you. Click on my Google Drive. Whoa. Oh, Google Drive. Make sure you guys know you all have this. Go to your Google Drive, type in share with me. Oh, let me share my screen back with you. When you guys have questions, put them in the EXP channel. Don't Slack me directly because I'm not the only person that can answer your questions. Off market. All right. If you go to your Google Drive, click in share with me and just type in off market. Just type in off market. Enter. I've trained it so many times. Here is a 6 minute and 55-second video on exactly what I just showed you. You guys with me? 6 minutes and 55-second video according to this right here on how to get your buyers access to home.
Be willing to remove your contingency. And they say yes, and then it